The Sourgrass off-road trail near Dorington, California, is a popular destination. Maybe it's because at a lower elevation, it's often not closed out by snow that closes many of the higher elevation Sierra trails. It's a fun trail about 2.5 miles in, and it's a round trip. You have to come back out again. And normally I wouldn't feature it on a YouTube of mine because I have talked about this before. But last time we were by ourselves, and this time we had the fun of joining with 10 or 12 of our friends in their rigs and helping each other along the trail, which, by the way, gets a little bit harder every year, and watching the other people make it through. One of our rigs, in fact, it's my fiance's Wrangler, TJ Wrangler. This is my Rubicon right here. That's hers right there. She has open diffs, and it was pretty much a challenge for her, but I was proud of her. It's the first time for her to take on the rocks, and with some good guidance, she did all right. Little bit of trouble going through the creek that you'll see here in just a few minutes. Well, anyway, sit back and enjoy our Mud Sweating Gears Jeep Club venture on the Sourgrass Trail.
If you're looking where Ken's going right now, there's an easier route to the left if you just stay to the left of the...
Ken is not driving.
Ken's Jeep. You know what I mean.
Without rock marks, it's not worth anything, yeah. right. This shows you what a big challenge it is, having open differentials and no lockers. I think that's one of the next upgrades we need to do, is bite the bullet and put some lockers on this rig.
Hey everybody, this is Ariel the Jeep Dog. Thanks for watching our video, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button down there.